The Collective Nature of Spiritual Evolution by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. In examining the intricate tapestry of spiritual evolution, one must acknowledge the profound interconnectedness that characterizes the human experience. This interconnectedness is not merely a superficial observation. Rather, it is a fundamental principle that underlies the Theosophical framework articulated by H P Blavatsky. The notion that individual spiritual growth is inextricably linked to the collective advancement of humanity posits a compelling argument for the necessity of communal engagement in the pursuit of higher consciousness. To elucidate this interdependence, it is essential to consider the concept of the one life, a central tenet in Blavatsky's teachings. This principle asserts that all beings are manifestations of a singular divine essence, thereby suggesting that the spiritual evolution of one individual contributes to the overall ascension on the collective. Consequently, the evolution of consciousness is not an isolated endeavour. Rather, it is a shared journey wherein the progress of the individual serves as a catalyst for the awakening of others. This perspective invites a nuanced understanding of personal development, emphasizing that one's spiritual practices and insights can reverberate throughout the collective, fostering a ripple effect that enhances the spiritual fabric of society. Furthermore, the significance of community in facilitating spiritual awakening cannot be overstated. Theosophical teachings advocate for the formation of spiritual groups, wherein individuals gather to share insights, engage in collective meditation, and participate in discussions that challenge and expand their understanding of metaphysical concepts. Such communal practices not only provide a supportive environment for personal growth, but also serve to amplify the collective consciousness. In this context, the act of synthesizing diverse perspectives becomes a powerful tool for transcending individual limitations, thereby fostering a more profound and holistic spiritual awakening. In addition to the microcosmic dynamics of individual and community interactions, one must also consider the macrocosmic implications of collective spiritual evolution on a global scale. The current era, marked by unprecedented technological advancements and global interconnectedness, presents a unique opportunity for humanity to engage in a collective awakening. The rapid dissemination of information and ideas across cultural and geographical boundaries has the potential to catalyze a significant shift in consciousness. As individuals from diverse backgrounds converge in the pursuit of spiritual understanding, the synthesis of varied cultural philosophies can lead to a more profound comprehension of universal truths, thereby enriching the collective spiritual narrative. However, this collective journey is not without its challenges. The pervasive influence of materialism and the fragmentation of belief systems can hinder the process of spiritual evolution. Nevertheless, these obstacles also present opportunities for growth and transformation. By confronting and transcending these challenges, humanity can cultivate a more nuanced understanding of autonomy and interdependence, ultimately leading to a more cohesive and enlightened collective consciousness. In conclusion, the collective nature of spiritual evolution, as articulated through a Blavatskyan theosophical lens, underscores the importance of recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings. By fostering community engagement and embracing the opportunities presented by global consciousness, individuals can contribute to a significant and transformative awakening that resonates throughout humanity. This collective journey, marked by both challenges and opportunities, invites a deeper exploration of the profound implications of our shared spiritual evolution.